Welcome to the Spotlight. Today we're going to be talking about the TRK 100. This is a heavy-duty extendable handle with 3 locking positions and 2 attachments, a breaker bar and a flex head ratchet. Alright, let's dive into it. This is a heavy-duty extendable handle, and it's meant to take some torque, so don't be scared of it, guys. Here we added the knurled end on the handle. It also locks in 3 separate positions, so you have 3 separate lengths you can use the tool with. On the internal shaft here, you have this flat part, which is what prevents from seizing up inside of the shaft. As it sits, it has the 1/2 inch breaker bar on it. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to interchange these 2 heads. Simply pull the ring at the bottom of the handle and use the attached pin to push in the locking mechanism and release the attachable head. But we didn't stop there. We made additional attachments to work with this same handle. A wrench extender that holds any wrench up to 32 millimeters and allows you to apply extra leverage to stubborn or seized fasteners. And a tie rod adjustment tool that turns this into a great tool for alignments. And that's it for the TRK 100. Now that comes with the ratchet and the breaker bar attachment. The other 2 attachments are sold separately and more are to come in the future. Stay tuned for the next Spotlight.